this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of Thomas a Friend's Wood Henry. I got it at the train store. I got it in about $50, I think. I'm so happy they made Henry into wood, just like he did to Edward and Toby. So here's the front, side, the other side, the bottom, the top, it says Henry, and the back. Let's unbox Henry. Package. Let me get out my wooden railway train tracks so I can get Henry a test wood. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just put wood Henry on the wooden railway train tracks. Before we get him a test one, let's take a look at Henry, because I forgot about that. Here's Henry, so here's the front, top, side, the other side, the bottom, it says Henry. Let's check Henry's tender. Here's the front, side, the other side, the top, the bottom. Hang on, I think this is the top, sorry, my bad. This is the bottom. This is Henry's tender. Let's get Henry a test one, shall we? Look at Henry go! Well guys, that's it with an unboxing, reviewing, and test one of Thomas Wood Henry. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.